Hi, honey. Are you eating SpaghettiOs? Is it good? Let's get a close-up of that face. Oh, no. Not that close. Let's see. There's SpaghettiOs in your ear, on your shoulder. No. It's not finger painting, baby. Is it yummy? I don't know why I put a bib on you. You had to get every last drop. That's a good girl. That's a good little piggy.